So Phone Rebel are back with some ultra thin goodness, so let's check these out. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So here we are with the flex cases from the guys at Phone Rebel. Big shout out guys for sending these over for review, much appreciated. Thanks for supporting the channel. And yes, I have two versions of them here. I have the clear version of the flex and I have the Aramid fiber. So let's check these out. Before we get started, are you a fan of the ultra thin minimal case? If you are, let me know in the comments down below. Let me know what you're using on your phone, and have you tried or are you considering the Phone Rebel cases? Let me know in the comments down below. But let's check these out. So we'll just get these unboxed. If you're unaware who Phone Rebel is, so Phone Rebel is the case brand of Everything Apple Pro, and that guy is a guy that I've followed for a long time. Before I even started my YouTube channel, he was a guy that I watched constantly. I love that he's making these cases and he likes to improve and tries to make the perfect case for your phone. So yeah, it's pretty awesome and I do love to see these cases. He's doing right out there, let's just say. So, but yeah, so these are the cases that are designed for the minimalist, right? So if you want something that's sort of minimal but a little bit protective, these are the cases that you'll want, really. So let's check these out. So the good thing with these is these come with screen protectors as well, which is pretty cool. And it's a nice touch. Not every case maker does it, so it's nice to see that these are included. Yeah, so there's both. So this is the frosted flex, and then this is the Aramid fiber. So these are the same case essentially, but the only difference being is the material on the back. So yeah, let's just check these out quickly and we'll just weigh them. So the frosted flex is weighing in at 47 grams and the Aramid fiber is weighing in at 43 grams. So there you go. Now I know what you're thinking. You're thinking ultra thin, minimal, but they're quite weighty. Yes, they are, but these cases do have what a lot of thin cases don't have, and they have shock protection in the corners, which is pretty important. So that's where the extra weight's coming from. So we'll just check these out. We'll just pop the phone onto these quickly, just to get an idea of the weight with the cases on. So there's the frosted flex. So 275 grams is what you'll carry in your pocket. That's good to see. On the scale, 272 grams. So that's what you'll be carrying around in your pocket. First up then, we'll start with the Aramid fiber because it's Michael's Tech Talk. I love Aramid fiber. And there we go. So this is the Aramid fiber and it is really nice quality. Now what I do like about these cases is we've got the metal camera guard, which is very nice, but this is changeable, as is the Phone Rebel logo, which is here. So if we just take the frosted flex just to have a look, there's little screws on the inside and you can just unscrew that and you can change the camera guard out and you can customize it. So if you don't like black and you want some other colors, you want to mix it up a little bit, you can do that with this. And the same goes for the Rebel logo on the back. Now you can't do it on this one because it's just an engraved one because it's clear, but on the Aramid fiber, this little metal Rebel logo, you can change that, you know. So say if you went for like the orange kit, you would get the orange button there as well, and it's nice. It customizes things up a little bit, makes it different. Buttons isn't really a factor in this case because the side of the phone is exposed, but that's not what this phone is about. If you're picking up this case, this case is not about side protection. This case is about a minimal experience, so that's why the buttons are exposed. So there's no button test to have here, there's no camera control to worry about, thankfully. So let's just check the fitment then. So we'll just take the corners because as you can see this is bumpered at the top and it's bumpered at the bottom. So there's our cutouts for USB-C and our speakers. So yeah, so that is where you would imagine the weakness would be. So we'll just take the corners here and we'll give it a twist, and that is really secured in there, which is really good to see. Let's just look at the screen lip then. So it is raised at the corners, and then there is a little lip here at the bottom and the top of the display, so it will give you that lift up protection if you do set it down flat, which is good to see. And then of course the camera guard is metal, so the lenses don't protrude out at all, and that will protect those camera lenses from set down flat protection, so that's what you want to see. On the inside then of the bumper, like this is the thick TPU bumper, but we do have shock absorption material here in the corners, because typically when you drop your phone, it falls corner down, and that's usually where the damage comes from. It sends a shock up through the phone, it cracks the glass. Blah. That is good to see. So we have this protection here, but one thing I do like about these flex cases is when you look at the back, the side part here is smoothed down and it just goes in line with the phone, so it makes this phone really comfortable to hold, which is really strange, because I would kind of expect it just to be sort of a sharp plastic and you're sort of holding it and you can feel the edges and stuff, and you don't get that with this, which is really good. It also does help with the grip of this phone, because when I'm holding this phone and I've got my hands on the back of that Aramid fiber, it's really nice. And this is not normally the type of case I would use, but this is making me wonder, could I use something like this? It feels like not using a case, but there's a case. You know, it's kind of strange, you know, the back's protected, the corners are protected, but yet when I'm using it, I don't even feel like I'm using a case, you know, so it's kind of strange. It's a strange analogy because, you know, the side bumpers are missing, but I really do like that. It is MagSafe compatible, so we can do a MagSafe test. So let's bring in our trusty stand. And the last Phone Rebel cases that I reviewed, the magnets were really good. I don't expect this to be any less, so let's just try this out. Whoa. Whoo. Scary biscuits. Yeah, magnets are okay. Wow, that fell and it landed face down. Just as well have a pad on this table. Yeah, the magnets now, I would like them to... Just did it again. The magnets are okay. Like if you're in a car and you're, you know, charging this by your bed or your desk, it's not going to fall off, and that is really good. I'm obviously giving it a really good shake here. Yes, is there stronger MagSafe out there? Yes, there is, but it's decent enough. It is decent enough. I can't really fault that too much. Like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 good shakes I need to give before that'll fall off. That's okay. That's reasonable. And we'll just grab my battery pack. There we go, charging, no issues. And then we just give that a shake with the battery pack on the back. Yeah, the battery pack's not even moving. And that's quite a heavy battery pack, it's 10,000 milliamp hours, so it's heavy enough. Yeah, that's really good. So just for completeness then, we will stick on the frosted version. So these cases are pretty much identical, they are just different materials, so we'll just pop that on. If you want something that's going to showcase the color of your phone, like that looks absolutely awesome with the natural titanium 16 Pro Max, I'm not going to lie. I do like the black MagSafe ring, I do like that, you know, the sort of black and grey. It's good. It's got all the same characteristics. We've got the same quality fitment there, the same good bumpers along the top. Now, they will say the only difference being this frosted material is smooth, so you aren't going to get there's a little bit of a texture to the Aramid fiber. This is just completely smooth, but we do have the same rounded edges that meet in line with the body, and I really do like the feel of it. So yeah, like these cases could convert me to this type of case. I normally don't like them because they're normally just razor sharp at the sides and whatnot, and this isn't. This is just really well thought out, which is nice. And we'll just do the MagSafe test then. So again, magnets are, yeah, they're decent on that case. Can't really fault that at all. A little bit better than the Aramid fiber. And then we'll just do charging test then. Perfect. Yep, charging's coming through no problem. Great job. So that is the Flex from the guys at Phone Rebel. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Is this your bag? Is this your cup of tea? Are you the minimal case person? Let me know in the comments down below. If you are looking to pick this up, I will leave you affiliate links in the description down below. Affiliate links help support the channel, but they don't cost you guys any more money. So if you do pick up using any of my links, thanks for your support. Much appreciated. So that'll be wraps it up for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me. Don't forget to click that subscribe and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. Keep it locked to the channel. I have a lot more content coming, so stay tuned. If you want some more down-to-earth tech review and accessory videos, you know where to come. And until the next one, I'll catch you later. flex, baby. Give me a flex. Oh yeah.